Good morning. This is our second full day in Positano, technically our third, and we are finally going to adventure down to the main piazza beach area. As you can see, it's not quite a hop, skip, and a jump, but this is also why we're allowed to eat whatever we want here. All right, we made it down to one of the main streets. This is Viale Pasitilla, which technically wraps around also above our Airbnb. Yep. Down here, but these stairs look way nicer. All right, we can see the water. That means we're getting closer. All right, here we go. Come on, babe. Woo. Little breakfast.
I want to play.
All right, I've put my feet in the Mediterranean, and in April it's a bit chilly, but totally worth it. So we are at Chez Black. They do have an English menu as well as an Italian menu, and it's right here on the beach. Oh, little girl. Right here on the beach. Ordered my first Aperol Spritz. I have never ever had Aperol. I don't know what it is. Wish me luck. Let's see here. Huh. It's like a little bitter tart and sour. But I guess you would feel like really nice and like a cool, refreshing day. What for you, Jeff?
Too tart.
Too tart? Done. Gonna go wander and look for a couple more things. So these are those Amalfi lemons that are huge. I mean, look at Olivia as a frame of reference. It is insane. Interno bus picks up next to a Rada restaurant here on the bottom. 20 cents. Find them at a tobacco shop. They are $1.30 a ticket. And then they will rip them once you get on the bus. Your stop, you have to press this button that is in your seat. Oh my goodness.
Vieni Mattia, dobbiamo uscire davanti.
Yes.
Is that one the stop? Okay. So let's double check. I don't know.
Don't you do
Street.
It is? Oh, yeah, it is. Stop it.
We're back.
Where's our stairs?
And it's 1:40, so about 10 minutes from the bottom. So our family has been buying this lady out of her meatballs and stuff every day because it's amazing. So it's bread and wine and cheese or something and everything good. It's the name of this store. Let me find it. It's just so good. Let's see here. It is called Bread and Wine. Bread, wine, and something good. All right, just finished some work. Gonna head down, get an espresso, probably a double because I need a little pick me up. So here we go. Oh, those are the stairs up. We already did those. We're going down. But this is our beautiful abode, so let's go. Honey, honey. How much longer are you gonna be my baby? Oh, their school buses have Disney stuff on them. How adorable. Positano. Grazie, grazie. And then if you're going to have an espresso or coffee or a beverage, it needs to have a view.
Here, take a picture of that way.
Oh, this posterior is amazing. So it's like ricotta, lemon, wheat goodness.
Orange blossom.
I came back and picked up one of these for Olivia for Easter. I know that every other girl on Instagram is all about this Positano beach life, but I am hands down okay with being up top here with some of the best little restaurants and cafes and my balcony. Pictures, punk.
Oh my god.
Dessert time.
Venetian now, take a bit.
That's what you call
Jeff
it.
got the wine,
It's
the
Venetian.
dessert.
So there's coffee.
And now a little relaxation before bed.